You have the same 24 hours as everyone else, so why do some people accomplish twice as much while you're constantly playing catch up? The difference isn't working harder, it's working smarter. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 time management strategies that actually work for busy professionals. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1, time blocking. This is the secret weapon of top performers. Instead of just having a to-do list, you're going to assign every task a specific time slot in your calendar. Here's how it works. On Sunday evening or Monday morning, look at your week ahead. Block out time for your most important tasks first. Morning meetings? Block it. Deep work session? Block it. Even lunch and breaks? Block them. The key is treating these blocks like actual appointments. You wouldn't skip a meeting with your boss, right? Don't skip your time blocks either. Pro tip: color code your blocks. Blue for deep work, green for meetings, yellow for admin tasks. This visual system makes it easy to see if your day is balanced or overloaded. Strategy 2, the 80-20 rule. This principle states that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. Think about your work. Which tasks actually move the needle? Which ones just make you feel busy? Most people spend their day on low-impact tasks that don't really matter, perfecting things that are already good enough, answering every email immediately, attending meetings that could have been an email. Here's what you do. Every morning, identify your top 20%, the 1 to 3 tasks that will create the biggest impact. Do those first when your energy is highest. Everything else can wait or be delegated. Ask yourself, if I could complete 3 things today, what would create the most value? Those are your 20% tasks. Strategy 3, eliminate time wasters. The average person wastes over 2 hours a day. That's 10 hours a week, 40 hours a month, an entire work week gone. The biggest culprits? Social media scrolling, unnecessary meetings, constant email checking, and multitasking, which studies show makes you 40% less productive. Here's your action plan. First, track your time for 3 days. Use your phone's screen time report or a simple notebook. Be honest about where your time actually goes. You'll be shocked. Second, set boundaries. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use website blockers during deep work. Set specific times to check email, maybe 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. That's it. Third, learn to say no. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that matters. Protect your time like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. So, there you have it. Time blocking, the 80-20 rule, eliminating time wasters, energy management, and weekly reviews. Pick just one of these strategies and implement it this week. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tips. Drop a comment below. Which strategy are you trying first? I read every single one. Remember, you can't manage time, but you can manage yourself. Now go make it count.